All right, folks, one more. This is a 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, original light ice blue from factory. This was a former Probation Department vehicle with only 91,000 miles and 531 idle hours. Judging by the looks and condition of this vehicle, it was not used for patrol. My guess is it was probably used Monday through Friday. Folks, the vehicle has been completely serviced and doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Original light ice blue from factory, so the vehicle will have some scratches, and I will go ahead and point those out to you as I walk around the vehicle, or you know what, I'll get back to them actually. Fresh new window tint. The one that the car came with when I bought it, it was purplish and it was bubbling up, so it was replaced. Vehicle has been registered. I do have plates to my name. This vehicle is also E85 okay, so flex fuel can work in this vehicle. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition. She doesn't need anything, guys. She's super solid, super strong, super fast. One little nip here, the rear bumper, guys. No holes anywhere in the body whatsoever. This is a very rare color. I don't often see this color, and when they do come out, you know, they attempt to attract the right customer. Another little scratches here, door ding or whatnot. You can hardly see them, but you know what, guys, I gotta let you know they are there. So let's get up close and personal, folks. Also, I gotta tell you, the vehicle does have a new set of takeoffs, Goodyear RSA Eagles 235 55 17. I've also reconditioned the steel wheels. When I first got the car, they were pretty peeled. Most of you guys already know how they look when they're coming out of the department or the auction. So they were reconditioned and repainted, so they do look nice and glossy, and they appear to be new. Also, it's got clear lights and lenses. The headlamps are actually new. I did throw in a set of new headlamp assembly with new light bulbs all around, just to make sure everything works. Everything looks great. The ones that came with the car, they were yellowish and pretty ugly looking, so I don't like that look. So let's go ahead and clean her up a little bit more. No signs of spotlights anywhere on the vehicle. Again, this was not a patrol car, so let me backtrack here. It's got one little nip right there, another one right there, small in this area. Again, you can hardly see them. These ones, they're there. I'm leaving those alone so you guys can see what the car does and doesn't have. So let's go inside of the car here, and before I forget, also guys, I do have a door ding here by the gas lid. I almost forgot. It's right there. Once again, guys, the car is not perfect body wise, but if you can see those little dings, and I know most of you guys out there are pretty picky, but you know what, I do what I can. If you can see past those little scratches and those door dings, you got yourself a great running vehicle. Folks, as you guys can see, I do have a vinyl rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vinyl flooring. Door locks and switches are inside the rear door. So yes, rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car. Wheels were painted. Wrapped around with a new set of takeoffs. This is the gear ratio in this vehicle is going to be a Zebra 5. It's a 327 highway. Electric seat. Perfect driver's side seat, very comfortable. The passengers as well. I got a brand new aftermarket center console there. It looks really good in the vehicle. Perfect dash. Let me clean this up here. Perfect dash, no holes. I do have a Stinger flashlight charger there. I decided to leave that alone. It's not connected. They cut the wire, So I'm leaving that alone just in case if you are the new owner and you want to get it working, you can have access to that. Regular AM/FM stereo. How it works. One little tiny hole here in the small dash trim. Okay. Let's go ahead and fire her up real quick here. All lights are off. As you can see, the vehicle does have 91,000 miles. Let's run that up to 92,000 miles. I am responsible for 174 miles driven. Vehicle does have 531 idle hours. Stereo does work, kind of staticky. Lights do work. I can get it to clean up. Alright, let's just move forward. Ticket light does work. The blackout option, it's not on this vehicle, so every time you open the door, the light will come on. Map lights do work. Let's go ahead and get under the hood and the trunk real quick. It looks like the camera doesn't want to cooperate with me. I apologize for that. Alright, here's the trunk. I do have a full-size brand new spare tire that came with the car, so it's going with the car. Floor jack over there. And most of you guys are asking yourself, hey Mario, what the heck is that? Well, it's an empty can and it is drilled to the car. So it's not going nowhere. I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna let the new owner decide what he or she wants to do with that. All right. Folks, as you can see, everything has been detailed, serviced, and yes, she doesn't need anything, guys. So once again, I'm setting you up for success. You're getting a great running vehicle. It looks great. What else can I say? She will take it from A to Z on a heartbeat. Literally. Super clean and in perfect running condition. California car, no rust. Once again, this was a Probation Department car, so she wasn't beat up. They're starting right to left. I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service and filter. American 5 transmission fluid and filter by Motorcraft. I won't use nothing else but Motorcraft on that transmission. He's got a brand new battery. Folks, he's got a brand new Gates drive belt from me. It appears to have a semi-new intake manifold from that department, alternator from that department, water pump from that department, and what it appears to be a new radiator. Coolant is nice and green, which tells me this vehicle maybe had a radiator replacement along with the fan. That's usually how they do it in the department. Let's go ahead and take this off real quick. Whoa. You guys can see there is no dust bunnies in here whatsoever. Super clean. She's ready to go, guys. No accidents. Clean, clear title. Whoa, I'm already on my 10th minute. I better hurry up. Don't worry, I do have the clips that go in the little holes, so I'll put it back together once I'm done. Okay, brakes. The brakes are about 80% all around from the department. So I went ahead and just left those alone. The paint looks great. It does have a couple of scratches here and there, guys, but you know what? It's nothing major to worry about. And one little door dings, that is it. I can deal with that. Some minor chips from road hazard right underneath the grill as usual. Once again, guys, it's the original paint, okay? I didn't send this out for paint, so you're getting the car as is, original. All right, guys, I gotta go. I went past my 10th minute here. Well, I want to thank you for watching this video. You guys have yourself a great weekend. Take care. God bless. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. Thank you. Good night.